खलन फ्राई आ गया, मशरूम फ्राई, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर स्ट्रीट फूड इन कोयम्बटूर. Whenever I eat anything made up of jaggery and coconut, it seems like some festival is coming up. तो कोथू का मतलब होता है चॉप,
Chops.
हाँ?
Yeah, chops.
उसको मतलब जो परोठा है उसको चॉप करते हैं.
Exactly.
और ये जो आवाज़ निकलती है,
Yeah. The aroma comes in.
हाँ,
Right?
इससे फिर आपको बहुत खुशबू आती है, फिर आपको मन करता है ये खाएं. आज 2-4 गिलास पीजिएगा. I will also do it. I also like to break the glasses. So now it's time for evening street food walk in Coimbatore.
Yes, Anubhav. So
And we are in Sai Baba colony.
we are in Sai Baba colony.
And we are starting with a cup of tea.
And Varki.
Varki.
Yeah, that's a local item which they make it in Coimbatore and Ooty. Yeah.
There's a bakery in OT by the name Varki.
Indian bakery.
Indian bakery.
Indian bakery.
And they are famous for this puff.
Famous for Varki. They call it as Varki. You call it as puff. Small puff. They'll be in round shape. But they'll be in round shape. The taste is awesome. They prepare there and they'll sell it from there itself.
It's written yummy, yummy, tasty, tasty, sweet and puffy.
Yes, very tasty.
Sweet puff.
Sweet and puffy as well. So it'll be very nice. You can try it out. Yeah.
So the way they prepare the tea is that they first add milk froth in the cup, followed by tea mix, followed
And
by
then
milk.
Milk, yes, that's right.
Huh?
Yeah, and sugar without sugar. And you can
That's
dip your Varki in this and then you can have it.
Let's do it.
Yeah. See, the froth comes up when you dip in. That's how, and you need to bite. How's it?
This puff is superb.
Yep. The right quantity of sweetness and the flakiness put together. How's the tea?
Tea is super strong.
Yeah.
Good tea. I like. ये हमारा खलन फ्राई आ गया, मशरूम फ्राई, and this is a very popular street food in Coimbatore.
Yes.
How is it made?
So it's a mixture of kalan. Kalan has been, I'm sorry, the mushroom is dried, fried, deeply fried, and some regular masalas like garam masala, curry masala, and all the regular spicy desi masalas have been added along with the liquid. They have a secret masala also been added to this, which they won't reveal. With water mixed with corn flour and maida, all put together, they form a paste, and they mix this with, they recook the mushroom along with this paste, and they'll form a semi-solid shape of a dish, and they will serve it to you with
And,
onions.
and over it they have
On
added
top of it, they'll put this
Papdi.
papdi and onions if required.
mushroom is grown in nearby places.
In Coimbatore, yes, they get from Ooty. Many of the mushrooms, there are different types of mushrooms, right?
Polachi.
No, Ooty.
Ooty.
Ooty, they grow a lot of mushrooms, and locally also you get mushrooms from a farm somewhere. They prepare. There are a lot of farms where you get mushrooms, so they buy it from there and they do this. And this story, I mean, they are running this particular ARC Sasi chat has been there for the past 35 years. His father is a very noble, humble person. He started this journey with a normal open eatery shop in a main road, no, on the streets, with just a bel puri, the local desi bel puri, masal puri, and curd puri, followed by cutlet. These are the four things that he stopped way back 30-35 years. After this, Sasi has taken this and he has brought this to this location. He's got around 3 outlets in Coimbatore. So one is here, the one is in RS Puram, another one is near to that Marudamalli temple which I told you earlier. How is it? No spice. Spices medium, not that spice.
The
masalas,
umami flavor. Somewhat similar to Manchurian.
Manchurian is different. You get that
Pieces,
all
but
the
it is
pieces
like chopped.
chopped pieces, yeah. But there is a separate format which they use for they use that paste, the masalas and the ingredients to prepare that paste, and then they do it deep fry it again and again.
The small chunks of mushroom.
Chunks of mushroom. And this is another dish which is called masal puri, the desi masal puri.
गोलगप्पे के अंदर में मटर है, प्याज है और ऊपर से फ्राइड चूड़ा है, मतलब फ्राइड कट एंड राइस वो है. Let's eat together.
Yeah. What was it?
This good.
Yeah.
I like this kind of chaat.
Yeah. So
With butter.
mild? Is it so mild?
With mild, very flavorful. What is it?
Moda water kering is the name of this particular what they prepare with the soup, right? With this, they make the soup, and this is grown on the rocks, not on the ground, and on the top of the trees and all. So that's how this is grown, and they make this using this. They make it as a soup actually. This is for your health as such. And if you have a pain, back pain, or you have a joint pain or something like that, this cures well. Sir. It's good, no? Taste is good.
Yeah, it's thick as well
Yeah.
and peppery.
Peppery. They used to put pepper powder also to get the taste actually. To have a taste, no?
It's similar to a vegetable soup.
Similar to the vegetable soup. Doesn't like seems to be like a chicken or
Yeah.
but a normal vegetable soup with pepper. Yeah. Pure.
You don't eat this.
இது டைரக்டா சாப்பிட முடியுமான்னு கேக்குறாரு.
No.
சாப்பிட முடியும். சூப் தான் வைக்கணும்.
Only
You
soup.
can make only it as a soup. You can't eat it directly. We are at Sai Baba Colony. The name of this street, road is NSR Road. Okay. So name of the tea shop where we are here is NSR Bakery. So in this particular bakery, the coconut bun is a very famous snack.
So this bun is stuffed with grated coconut
Grated coconut, yes,
and cherry.
and cherries, yes. And you have this coconut snack,
Cookies.
sweet, which is sweet,
Uh-huh.
and this is also sweet.
Like naan khatai.
Naan katai, like, and this is a varki, which is everywhere you will find it in Coimbatore.
This is a different shape.
Different
one
shape.
which you
The other
tried-
one was a rectangle one, and this one is a different shape altogether. It's kind of a square, and this is a cashew pakoda, which is again a famous snack in this bakery.
तो ये काजू का पकौड़ा है इसमें काजू है प्याज है बेसन है उसका बैटर बना के तो तल देते हैं बढ़िया बना हुआ है। साथ में कड़ी पत्ता भी है ये यहाँ
try the
की
coconut bun.
हाँ ये यहाँ की स्पेशलिटी है बन के अंदर में ग्रेटेड कोकोनट चेरी और थोड़ी शक्कर
Good, na?
लेमन टी
How is it?
आई लाइक लेमन टी वर्की
Varki, yeah, that's varki.
इसका नाम वर्की है केवता मीट स्वीट full on flaky.
Yeah.
It's similar to
Very
what we
flaky.
get in Delhi called fan.
Oh man, okay.
Oh,
Here we call it as varki.
but the
Generally,
shape
it's
is
famous in
different.
Ooty and Konnur,
No.
and now it's in Coimbatore as well. So
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वर्क से वर्की बना है वर्क जैसे सिल्वर लीफ गोल्ड लीफ होती है या फिर लखनऊ में मतलब अवध क्षेत्र में आपको वर्की पराठा मिलता है उसमें अलग अलग परतें होती हैं इसमें भी वही है अलग अलग लेयर्स हैं और पफ की तरह है पफ पेस्ट्री है Now tell us about this dish.
So we are at Akka Kadai where she's selling poli. We call it as Puran poli in North, right? So it's Desi poli, local poli stall here. So one we get it as one is a sweet poli, other one is a kara poli.
They have two sweets one.
Yeah, two sweets. This is dal, pure dal with jaggery, dal with jaggery. And this is only jaggery with coconut, no? Coconut. And the other one is like onion, tomato, curry patta, spicy, kara one. So these are the three things they sell it here.
I would like to try the coconut one.
Sudar,
Nandri.
it's very hot.
Okay. I'll wait for some time.
No.
So they open only in the evening time?
Yeah, எத்தனை மணி இருக்கீங்க ஈவினிங் 5 ல இருந்து 4 to 10.
Okay.
She is there from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
And then how long?
எவ்வளவு வருஷமா இருக்கீங்க இங்க? 15 years. She's here for the past 15 years. Whenever I used to come here, we used to husband and wife.
Okay.
Husband prepares the goli and she prepares the side dishes and the inside.
They call it poli.
Poli, yeah.
Poli.
The local. Uppad we call. No, it's a Karnataka name, but again in Tamil Nadu also we call it Telugu also Uppad. How's it?
Whenever I eat anything made up of jaggery and coconut, it seems like some festival is coming up. Huh? It
That's how
reminds
it
me of festival. Simple dish, लेकिन खाने में बहुत उम्दा. और आप देखें हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी कोने में चले जाएं, ऐसी स्टफ की भी आपको रोटी खाने को मिलेगी, चाहे वो पूरनपोली हो या फिर केरला में जाएं तो महाबली महाबली
हाँ बोल या
महाबली कहते हैं, या फिर कर्नाटका में क्या बोलते हैं,
उपट उपट
उपट।
उपट
तो हर जगह पे डिश खाने को मिल जाएगी आपको, चाहे महाराष्ट्र हो या गुजरात हो या फिर कर्नाटका हो या फिर
तमिलनाडु
तमिलनाडु। They have all different kinds of sweets.
yes and
And
we
they
are at
use
Nuruks. Yeah, the name of this place is called Nuruks, and it's full of savories and sweets, and they use all jaggeries, and it's kind of healthy foods. It's so good here. You can try it out.
So this one is red banana burfi, and this one is grapes burfi with dry fruits and beetroot halwa. I'll start with red banana burfi.
Red banana burfi. Okay. Awesome.
Full of ghee
The red banana's flavor comes out, right?
and jaggery.
Jaggery.
बहुत बढ़िया,
Very nice.
और मुंह में जाके बिल्कुल घुल रहा है।
Yeah.
ये है
This is grapes.
grapes
Burfi, right?
and dry fruits.
Oh.
बहुत ही उम्दा है। You can taste the grapes,
Yeah.
then figs, cashew, melon seeds, all of them.
Yeah.
This one is beetroot halwa. Wow.
So good, no?
With soya, beetroot,
Beetroot, jaggery.
and jaggery.
That's all. And see how they bring the taste together.
See, the art is in keeping the flavors of beetroot intact.
Obviously.
Huh?
Everything comes out, no? Jaggery comes out, your beetroot comes out, your koya comes out. What next? Everything
It's
is
not
there.
overly sweet,
Yeah.
mildly sweet. Nandri, thank you, thank you. यहाँ पे इतनी वाइड वैरायटी की नमकीन और मिठाइयाँ मिलती हैं। अगर आप इस दुकान में सिर्फ काउंट करना शुरू करें तो मुझे लगता है कि 100 से ऊपर ज़्यादा होंगी नमकीन यहाँ पे। सिर्फ एक बनाना की वैरायटी देखें आप, केले के चिप्स की 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 वैरायटी की तो सिर्फ केले के चिप्स हैं। विच इज़ द फेमस वन?
The
Famous is thin slice.
thin sliced
slice.
banana. Yeah.
Thin
Banana
sliced
chips.
banana.
This one is our famous one.
Classic salty.
So you use coconut oil for making this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, banana, coconut oil and natural antioxidant.
They are here for the past 40 years.
Uh-huh.
They started with this simple banana chips on the outside, roadside, with a small shop, and they have around 30 outlets right now in Coimbatore.
ये है अपना इनका ट्रेडिशनल A1 बनाना चिप्स। खाते हैं और देखते हैं सही में A1 है कि नहीं। है तो काफ़ी अल्ट्रा थिन, फुल ऑन क्रंची, कोकोनट ऑयल में तैयार,
No oil on your hands.
माइल्ड सॉल्टी। वाओ, with something like when you start eating, you don't stop. Huh?
Yeah.
You just keep eating.
Obviously.
You know, very addictive, very addictive. फिर
Chakravarti.
ये जो मीठा है इसको केरला में शक्करा वरती बोलते हैं। अभी रिसेंटली ओनम फेस्टिवल गया है, उसमें सबसे पहले केले के पत्ते में आपको उप्पेरी और शक्करा वरती सर्व करते हैं, उसके बाद फिर बाकी चीज़ें आती हैं खाने में। ये बनाना कैंडी है और इसमें बहुत अच्छा ड्राई जिंजर सौंठ का फ्लेवर है और साथ में इलायची का भी।
So we are at Krishna Tiffin Center. It's one of the famous local street food for Kottu Parota, and this is on the street of Sai Baba Colony. So this is the
कोकोनट चटनी।
coconut chutney, and you can refill any number of times. This is one thing that you can see in
You
this
have the
local
whole
street food.
बाल्टी lying out.
Little bit of kurma.
And
So
what's that?
this goes with idli. This is the onion chutney.
पहली बार सबसे पहले मैंने डिश खाई थी आपका मदुरई में।
Acha, Madurai is very famous for this Kottu
तो
Parota.
पता है, सेकंड टाइम खा रहा हूँ कोयम्बतूर में।
Yeah.
और मुझे उन्होंने बताया था, जिनके साथ मैंने टूर किया था, कि ये डिश श्रीलंका से तमिलनाडु में आई।
हाँ जी. Yeah.
ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ श्रीलंका से
Yeah.
ट्यूटिकोरिन में जो श्रीलंकन माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स थे
Migrant
वो ये डिश
workers.
लेके आए। तो कुथु का मतलब होता है चॉप।
Chops. Yeah. Chops.
उसको मतलब जो परोठा है उसको चॉप करते हैं
Exactly.
और ये जो आवाज़ निकलती है,
Yeah. The aroma comes in.
हाँ,
Out, right?
उससे फिर आपको बहुत खुशबू आती है, फिर आपको मन करता है कि खाएं। तो बड़े से तवे में परोठा लेते हैं, उसके बाद उसमें आपका
ऑयल
प्याज
पहले डालता है,
टमाटर
प्याज टमाटर और चिल्ली करी पत्ता और परोटा एंड उसके बाद टोमेटो आई मीन दे ऐड कुरमा onto it and they'll mix it and they chop it into you have seen that sound right
हाँ,
so they make it as and they mix it and they give it to you
तो अगर नॉनवेज चाहिए तो नॉनवेज करी डाल देंगे इसमें
हाँ this is pure veg non-veg तो non-veg करी
अंडा
डालेगा
डलवाना चाहिए अंडा
अगर
डलवा
if you want egg को तो परोटा they'll put egg scrambled egg and they will mix it and give it
हाँ बिल्कुल
they add pepper also there pepper is there also there.
The best part with this is that it absorbs all the flavors
Exactly it absorb all the flavors
completely mixed
That's why they chop it, na? So to get the entire flavors put together, all the aromas put together, they chop it and they mix it.
अब एक कोकोनट चटनी के साथ ट्राई करते हैं
And slowly the crowd will pile up now.
It tastes better with coconut chutney.
Exactly.
It's very filling as well.
Yeah.
ये खुरमा के साथ
Many people here in Coimbatore who run the local eateries like this Kothupuram and all, they are from Madurai. So they know the actual way
Making
of
process.
cooking, making process. Even if you try or we try, it doesn't work. They have to be here. So
They are from Madurai?
the master guys are from Madurai.
Oh.
It's one of the best eateries here in Saikoba Colony, and you will find crowds coming up after 8 o'clock. Slowly, a lot of people will pile up, and it goes till 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night, and still crowded.
Apart from the food of the city,
Yeah.
what all is Coimbatore famous for?
Okay. So basically, there it's an industrial city. Like basically you have many industries, textiles, manufacturing. Education is one of the best thing. A lot of colleges are there. After Chennai, you have the category 1 colleges more out here in Coimbatore. Then you have hospitals. A lot of hospitals are there. Many people come here for treatments. So hospitals, colleges, industries, motors and pumps manufacturing, grinders go from here. So there are a lot of items which have been manufactured here and been exported also. Initially they started with textiles and they invented many things and they started here, from here.
And the city is also famous for retired people.
Retired community, a lot of
Retired
senior
community.
citizens after retirement from other places like Chennai and all, because of this climate, they come down and settle down here. A lot of senior citizen homes out here and everything is getting packed now.
And you have good medical facilities.
Medical facilities are there.
That's why they prefer this place.
Yes.
No?
So we are at Party Amma Tiffin Stall, opposite to Brookfields Mall in Arispuram. This was started by Jeevaratnam Amma. She's 84 years old, sitting on the backside, still serving food and preparing, the idlis and covering up and all this stuff. So this was started around 42 years old by her in a small shop next to this big building. And later on, after growing, they have come up here. And the son, Mr. Muthu Anna, is taking care of this Party Amma Tiffin Stall.
So what all are they famous for?
So the famous food is again butter appam, dosa, all ragi dosa, cholam dosa, all millet dosa varieties. And you have tomato onion sevai and appam varieties. That's all. And kothu parota, parotas, everything is here.
Both veg, non-veg.
No, there is no non-veg except omelette, I guess. Anna? Omelette, only omelette, yeah. Idli is the first food that they started serving in a small shop. That became a super hit, followed by this big brand shop, coming up. There is no name to this place. Party Amma was given by the customer themselves. The brand was given by the customers. There is no name.
What does a party mean?
Party Amma means grandmother. Party, we call party as grandmother in Tamil.
Grandmom
That
shop.
became the norm. That became the name. Naam ho gaya uska. Grandmother tea, Party Amma Tiffin Stall.
ये अपम है
This is plain appam, yeah.
जो हम लोग केरला में अपम खाते हैं वो तो एक मतलब अलग तरह से बनता है जिसके क्रिस्प एजेस होते हैं कॉर्नर्स होते हैं और उसका बीच में डेंस होता है ये यहाँ का अपम है वाह और इसको मतलब बैटर डालते हैं तवे के ऊपर में उसका ढक देते हैं और फिर बस निकाला और सर्व कर दिया टोमेटो चटनी कोकोनट चटनी
Oh, kara chutney. This is kara.
और सभी टेबल पे आपको ये सब चीज़ें मिलेंगी ये बर्तन रखा हुआ है जिसके अंदर में आपको सांभर 3 तरह की चटनी है निकालते रहिए और खाते रहिए अनलिमिटेड तो मैं अपम खाऊंगा टमाटर चटनी के साथ में The appam is very soft and fluffy. Very nice. वो सब रेसिपी इनकी अम्मा का है.
Amma.
Huh?
Amma's recipe. Everything is done by Amma. Yeah? Amma showed the way and he's following it up till now.
ये खारा चटनी है, मतलब खारा मतलब तीखा चटनी. तो कुआं चटनी मिलाते हैं.
So fluffy, so tasty, right?
It's like home food, na?
Home food, yeah.
Yeah.
And doesn't happen in India.
Even the environment is like home, homely environment.
Yeah.
Is it your home? You live here?
Upstairs.
Upstairs you live?
This is the home and
अच्छा,
downstairs
downstairs
is...
you have a kitchen, restaurant.
Yeah.
ये बटर सेमिया है.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. What they'll do is they'll boil that rice and they'll boil the rice for a particular period of time with the temperature and then they will squeeze it and get this shape. They use rice flour, everything, and it comes in this form flavor. You have curry patta, mustard, everything out here in the form of oil, basic oil.
And दाल as
and
well.
dal, yeah.
फुल ऑन बटरी है और चना दाल का अच्छा फ्लेवर आ रहा है बीच बीच में और काफ़ी फ्लफी भी है. इतना खाया हुआ फिर भी खा रहे हैं.
हाँ, so light, ரொம்ப லைட்டா இருக்குல்ல. ஃபில்லிங்கா இல்ல பட் ரொம்ப லைட்டா இருக்கு. வயித்துக்கு எந்த இடமே வராது.
बढ़िया. ये अपना सारे गामा कारवा पे येशुदास के गाने सुन रहे हैं. यू लव म्यूजिक. येशुदास.
गाना तैयार किया था नहीं.
हाँ. टूट जाएगा सर. गॉन. वाह या बिना मतलब इसको दबाए हुए पूरा रस निकाल दिया इन्होंने. हाँ देखो. लाइम जूस. इसलिए कहते हैं स्ट्रीट फूड में थिएट्रिक्स होता है क्योंकि जब तक आप ये देखेंगे नहीं तब तक पीने का मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा. अभी हमारा बन रहा है. आज 2-4 ग्लास पीएगा. I will also do it. I also like to break the glasses. नन्नारी नन्नारी.
ऑलरेडी ऐड है.
हाँ. तो ये जो बना रहे हैं ये कोकोनट शरबत है जिसमें नन्नारी है और हनी है और टेंडर कोकोनट का चंक्स है, साथ में उसका रस भी है. How many glasses he has broken?
No, he has not broken anything actually. This is
Just
just
a record?
sound. Yeah, it's a record.
ये बिल्कुल नेचुरल ड्रिंक है. टेंडर कोकोनट, हनी और नन्नारी.
Yeah, perfect.
नन्नारी केरला में बहुत पीते हैं.
हाँ, केरला भी फेमस है, तमिलनाडु में भी फेमस है.
उसको बोलते हैं सरस परिला.
हाँ,
वही है.
वही है.
काफी अच्छा होता है सेहत के लिए.
Very good. Sarbat, if it is very hot and climate, people take a lot of coconut water here, and goes with nannari also.
बहुत बढ़िया. बीच बीच में अपना जो टेंडर कोकोनट है वो भी आ रहा है खाने में.
You have the-
मतलब मलाई,
bites
मलाई.
also. So he started the shop in 2014 from a small village called Ponnamaravati, which is in Pudukkottai district, and he has come down to Coimbatore and started in his son's name. His son's name is Ashok.
நான் வந்து ஸ்வீட்
His name is Muttaya.
ஸ்வீட் 64 வகை போடுவேன். ஸ்வீட் அகர்வாலில் ஸ்வீட் போடுறாங்கல்ல.
ஆமா.
ஸ்வீட் 64 வகை.
So he prepares 64 varieties of sweets like how they prepare in Agarwal
அந்த
sweets.
ஸ்வீட் போடுற மெத்தட்ல இது தயாரிக்கிறேன்.
So he has prepared this sharbat. By the way, he prepared the sweets, right? He has prepared this sharbat using the.
சர்பத்துக்கு என்ன போறாங்க தமிழ் தெரியாது.
Okay.
இந்த இளநீர் வந்து நன்றி ஒருவருக்கு செய்தாக்கால் அன்னன்றி என்று தருங்கள் என வேண்டாம் நின்று தளரா வளர்த்தெங்கு தான் உண்ட நீரை தலையாளை தான் தருதலால். தான் உண்ட நீரை தலையில போய் கொடுக்குது.
He is giving a tribute to the coconut tree, which gives.
வேர்ல்டுலே வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு கூல் ட்ரிங்க்ஸு இளநீ சிறப்பு தான், கோகனட் சிறப்பு.
coconut syrup.
ஏன்னா எந்த கலப்படம் கிடையாது.
He's giving a tribute to the coconut tree,
கைப்படாது.
which is giving so much of coconuts. So he was running a rice shop. His father was running a rice shop. He was sitting next to him, and he was running a small sharbat shop only. Next to his shop, there was a coconut vendor who was selling coconuts. So when he was cutting that, no, the coconut tender and all was coming out with the juice. So suddenly his idea sparkled, and from his
வேர்ல்டில் எந்த நாட்டிலையும் கிடையாது.
he wanted to mix. Why don't we try mixing that coconut, tender coconut, with this sharbat? And he tried. So this happens only in Coimbatore and that Ponnamaravati in his village. Nowhere in India and across the globe. Only these two places he has sold.
நல்லா இருக்கு, நல்லா இருக்கு.
தமிழ்ல சொல்றாரு அவரும். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம்
தமிழ்
கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம்
ஆமாம்,
கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம்.
ஒன்லி தமிழ். லாங்குவேஜ் நோ, லாங்குவேஜ் ப்ராப்ளம்.
Language should be not a barrier.
தமிழ் மட்டும்.
வரேங்கம்மா, ரொம்ப நன்றி, ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
நன்றி நன்றி நன்றி
நன்றி நன்றி.
और इसी के साथ हम लोग का कोयम्बतूर का वेट एंड फूड टूर एंड होता है. रोम्बा नंदरी जगदीश,
आपसे मिलने से भी हम खुश हुआ.
खुश हुए, हम भी खुश हुए.
थैंक यू.
हम दोनों खुश हुए दूसरे से मिलके.
या
हैं?
मी टू, आई एम टू. थैंक यू.
இது என்னன்னு சொல்லி வைங்கண்ணா. திஸ் இஸ் நல்லி ப்ரான் தொக்கு. திஸ் இஸ் கால் த பேச்சுலர்ஸ் சிக்கன்.
हम लोग अब देखने वाले हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रिपरेशन कोवे स्टाइल बिरयानी का, मतलब कोयम्बटूर स्टाइल बिरयानी का. इट्स तवा फ्राइड, शैलो फ्राइड, वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड माइल्डली स्पाइसी. What all we have on our table?
We have ghee parota, we have करंडी ऑमलेट, we have चिकन पली पाले.
1 मिनट में 10 डोसा बन रहा है.
10 डोसा हो रहा है.
10 डोसा in a minute.